Class 3 English Grammar. Good morning, students. Our today's topic is verb. But before writing, don't forget to draw margin lines and write date, day, and your subject. After that, write verb, then write definition. Its definition is a word which shows an action. Its examples are cooking, eating, and writing. All those words can show action because in all those things you are doing something. By doing something you are showing some action. That's why they are called action words. Come towards exercise. Write exercise like this. Underline the verbs in the following. So you have to do what? You have to underline the verbs. Najla sat beside the road. She read her book and waited for the bus. A boy came past on his bicycle. The wheel of the bicycle hit a stone. The bike fell over. The boy went flying through the air and landed in front of Najla. Catch a bus next time, said Najla. The boy smiled and rubbed his knees. Draw finish line. We are done. Then look at the words. Those words are verbs. So you have to do what? You have to underline all the verbs in this passage or paragraph. First one is sat. Underline sat. Number 2 is read. Underline read. Because if you are sitting, sat is the second form of sit. So if you are sitting, it means that you are doing something. So it is showing some action. That's why it is verb. If you are reading something, it means that you are doing something. By doing something, you are showing some action. That's why read is action. Waited, came, hit, fell, went, flying, landed, catch, said, smiled, and rubbed. All those words are showing some action. That's why they are verb. Underline them and you are done for today. Thank you, students.